What's going on, guys? It's Ian and welcome back to a brand new video. And today, guys, we are doing a try not to laugh. It's actually titled You Laugh, You Lose Savage Level 101% Clean / Try Not to Laugh. So yeah, and can you guys recognize this sound? Yes, that is pain and death. It's the Bean Boozled the Bean Boozled challenge. So again, we laugh, we spin the wheel, we pick one, we die. So yeah, and sorry, I forgot to say that I'm also recording with my friend PandaGames.
Okay, it's me again.
Yeah, it's the guy from the last video, literally.
My first official video.
Yes. Okay, shush now. Okay, so let's just get straight into it, guys. Okay. We both laugh. Now, my tooth is still like, there's no tooth and it's still bloody. So it's probably going to taste really weird. Should I go first?
Yeah, no, you're going first.
Okay, there's only a limited amount because we've already done this before and then, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, come on. I got
dog food or
chocolate pudding.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, let me just
grab out the bin.
I just got the bin. The bin's sitting on my lap right now.
Everybody should be quiet. Hello?
Oh!
You got chocolate pudding.
That's so good.
I haven't gotten
Okay.
any good one.
Here you go. You can do it.
Okay, yes,
Oh,
it's
that's
my
so good. Okay, what did you get?
I got, oh no,
Peach or vomit.
this is my worst one. I keep getting vomit once.
Nope. Let's not do that.
And I got vomit.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna continue it. And if we laugh now, it doesn't count. Okay, let's go.
Kylie Jenner.
Okay, that wasn't very funny.
That, although he was screaming at his own species.
Yeah, Chinese something chicken. Okay, next one. Oh, it's so good. No.
Kylie Jenner to the foyer. I have a little surprise for you. Is that a chicken?
The way she just says, "Is that a chicken?" Do you think it counts? Because I kind of snickered, but I don't think it was a laugh.
Well, it's called try not to laugh, not try not to eat a
Snicker.
Snickers bar.
Yeah, okay. So neither of us laughed.
For you. Is that a chicken?
I've seen this one before.
I've seen this one heaps of times and it isn't funny.
Yeah, when you get a text saying, "Please call me." Okay then, that wasn't very funny either. And guys, if we don't laugh, we're just gonna exit.
Wave my hand over your hand, and the spider will start to come out.
Whoa!
It's pretend.
Are you
It's
sure?
only in the phone. It's only
If
in
you
the
lift
phone.
that phone up in that phone, in that,
Whoa.
but how's it crawl?
I'll teach you how to do
If
it.
it's
All you
on-
have to do is wave your hand, and the spider goes across.
Whoa.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's gonna crawl from out underneath the phone, isn't it? Isn't it?
It don't-
A jump scare, probably.
Oh my God, is it gonna come out? Is
Try,
it-
try,
Wait,
try.
wait, what? Oh!
I told you not to do that! I told you not to do that! I told you not to do it! I told you not to do it! I told you not to do it! I told you not.
Okay, that was quite scary.
It gave me a jump scare. That should
Okay,
be like,
a dog.
oh, I am sold.
I get that.
Oh, I get it. I am sold.
That music is hilarious, but I'm not gonna laugh.
Oh.
Okay.
I go first.
Oh,
Juicy pear or boogers. Wait, let me just get the bin. Let me just get the bin.
the lazy bin.
Oh yeah, the laser bin. You guys don't get that.
Guys, he got juicy pear. Do not mind that.
Oh yeah, don't mind the dog. There's just a person pulling up to our house. Don't mind the dog.
Wait, okay, no, I laughed at that. Okay, after that.
That's actually really disgusting. What are you gonna get? There's no more of those.
I didn't have that.
I've
Okay.
kind of eaten most of them.
Oh, I got Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
Yep, there you go. Eat away, my friend. Oh, no. Go back into full screen. Oh, dear. Or is it?
I got Tutti Frutti.
Oh, come on.
You're always my favorite, Mama. I love you, Kanaya, and I love you
What's gonna
always.
happen? Okay,
God, oh God.
Can we just close the door? They actually look like they're about to die.
Tell my mama I love her. Honey, if I die, I won't be dying.
Don't do it. No.
Okay then.
Don't do it. No.
Need to turn the sound up.
Don't
God
do
damn.
it. No. 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 Don't even think of no. Don't even think about no.
Okay, that was not a laugh.
That was not a laugh.
That was not a laugh.
Okay.
Let's keep going.
Resume.
I think the cat just tried to assassinate him.
Oh,
That looked like it hurt.
that isn't funny. That is not funny.
Wait, the slow-mo though. Oh, okay,
I
that actually looked like it hurt.
Yeah. That was on concrete, so. Oh.
What's gonna happen?
No.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Okay then. That is one creepy
What your
seagull.
problem is? You're just being jealous. Jealous of who? I'm trying to see the person I'm jealous of.
Oh, this is Cuphead.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Every time you yell at your kids, put a quarter in your no yelling sock, and soon you'll have a weapon to.
Stop it. Get some help.
Did you hear what she said?
Yeah.
He's like, so no, and when the kids yell, you get them to put a nickel in your no yelling sock, and soon you'll have a weapon. Okay, let's keep going.
I laughed.
Okay. Yes, I laugh very strangely. Don't touch me. Please be a good one.
Nope. He got Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
Hey, I got Tutti Frutti.
Oh, so sunny.
Yeah,
It's really hot.
it's just become really sunny.
I'm
Okay.
closing the
Okay, dude, spin. You laughed at that.
Oh no,
There's
we
no
don't.
more of that. No
Oh.
more of that one either. No, that's the lawn clippings or lime. No.
Oh yeah. What's that?
Oh, that's the yellow. Oh, that's rotten egg or something. What is it? Oh, come on.
Oh, I think I got the butter popcorn.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Butter popcorn. Okay, let's keep going.
Tomara que
Oh,
a
this
Júlia
one's funny.
seja muito feliz com a escolha dela.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Something smells like roast.
To chew 5 gum.
Oh, I love this.
Oh!
New 5 gum. Stimulate your senses.
Wow, a Yahtzee. Okay.
Whoa! Oh! That is.
Oh, yo, this is my favorite movie. Well, it's one of my favorite.
It's too bright. Turn them off. Turn them off. Let's go. Ready?
You spend far too much time with your computer.
That's
It's
crazy.
not healthy.
It's my life.
That's so very, very sad.
Oh, get wrecked. Okay, we both laughed. I'll go first. What do I get?
What is it? What is it?
I got Tutti. Wait, there's no more Tutti Frutti.
Yes!
Sucks. Let's
Our
go.
life has been saved. Oh,
It
yeah,
is.
our life
I
hasn't been
got,
saved.
I got the second worst. That's
Here you got vomit or
peach.
yeah, peach.
That is so good. No, my peach. My peach. You don't eat my peach. It's my peach.
I didn't even get a peach. Oh.
No more of that. No more of that. Same one. Same one. Ah. Oh, that's just so good. What do you get? Now I feel like peaches. I want some peaches. Oh no. Sorry, guys.
Vomit.
Okay.
Get some help.
Awesome, bros. Here's some brofist for you. Love you, bros.
Oh, I can't believe you've done this.
That was actually funny.
That one's got it.
Okay, that was
Wait,
actually
instant replay.
Okay, I'll go first. No
No
more
more
of those. Oh, come on.
What was it?
It's that one.
Oh god.
So, juicy pear or booger? It's on the tip of my tongue.
They can't see it.
Oh, I'm showing it to you.
No more of that. I said no more. I said no more of that.
Got the same one twice. No more of that.
Well, let's have the
Oh,
last
it'll be
one.
The final one.
Of
Final.
vomit or peach.
Vomit or peach? Which one is it?
Vomit.
You know, there was only one peach.
I know.
That was the one that I had before.
Guys,
There was
Bean
one
Boozled is a rip-off. They do not do anything to help your life.
Okay, yo, don't you just love my reply and you? Okay, go. Is that from like Freddy Krueger or something?
No, it's Shining.
Oh.
Who did you expect? Sparta flop.
Okay, it's called the Trust Fall.
Okay, that was funny.
Trust Fall. Ready?
Trust.
Set, go.
Most dramatic panda ever. So cute. That is not funny. How's that funny, Ant?
Okay, just keep. Okay, I wasn't laughing. It was in my mouth. When you spot your ex in the crowd.
Oh. Oh.
Whoa! You see them skills?
Damn, Daniel.
Yeah.
Oh no.
no.
Oh, don't worry. I've seen this one heaps. That will not get me.
Feels bad, man.
Cat.
Без работы временно осталось около 10 тысяч сотрудников, но во время вынужденного простоя им обещают выплачивать...
And bang. Oh, okay. Okay, dude, I'll do the pausing. Okay. Oh well. Once more. Yo, my blood just crusted up and then I just flicked it and it came off. No more of that. No more of that. No more of that. No more of that. No more of that.
Oh, you got that.
Okay, I got chocolate pudding last time. Please be chocolate pudding. Oh yeah. Let's go, chocolate pudding.
I haven't gotten a good one yet.
Oh, so good. Okay, you can spin. Dude, look at that, just being boozled at the bottom of our bin.
Oh, please.
Rotten egg or...
Wait a minute.
What about popcorn? No, that's a...
Is that baby
that's...
whips?
No, it's not. Oh, it's so good, the chocolate one. What do you get?
I think I don't know what I got. I think I got rotten egg.
Well, you did.
Don't be stupid, little kid.
Dude, if I...
Oh, God.
Oh! Oh! You idiot.
You're an idiot.
Sorry, that was just too funny. Okay, next up.
I got chocolate pudding.
Oh, you did?
I just stole one.
Yeah, he just stole a random one and got chocolate pudding. No more of those.
Oh, so nice.
Oh no, it's buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
Get wrecked.
Oh, it didn't even go into the bin, it just bounced off.
Oh, you idiot. I have to pick it up now.
Oh, no. Oh, that was disgusting.
I grabbed a brown one.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, that's actually disgusting. Okay then. Oh! Wow. Oh, he came second.
I didn't just splatter paint, I was my paint.
Okay then.
Hey!
Good boy, Coco. Oh no. Oh no, why did I laugh?
You're so mean.
Oh, I've seen that one, it's not funny. No, give me. Oh, come on.
What is that? Canned dog food?
Oh, let's go, it's chocolate pudding again.
I don't have this one.
No, put it down, put it down. Put it. Why didn't they eat it? Okay, this one isn't funny.
What the hell? Oh, I know not sneeze.
Oh! Okay, you have to spin it now. If you get chocolate pudding, I'm going to be extremely disappointed. You didn't spin. Spin it. There's no more of that, so you get to spin again. There's no more of that, so you get to spin again. No more of that. There's literally 3 types. Oh! Juicy Booger. Juicy Booger. What is it?
Hey, Juicy Pear.
Oh, okay, let's keep going. This is a good beat. I might just let it go down. Oh, I've seen this. Oh, I've seen this one too. Whoop.
My new wallpaper. Oh.
Oh no, we both just laughed.
Cannibalism.
We both just. Why is it not pausing?
Yeah, I sure.
That's just a great stop. Right on his mouth.
I'm just gonna straight up pick Juicy Pear or Booger. You can't beat me. I got Juicy Pear. Just pick one. Okay, check. Please get game dog.
Wait.
Wait.
Hey!
Okay, we gotta take it back.
It's fall. Get ready for pumpkin flavored everything. Oh God! Cannibalism. Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does.
The girls still want me. Are you sure about that?
Whoa! That's some mad skills. Oh, I hate those type of cats.
What's good for me? That's my opinion. You want to battle me?
Oh, well, okay then. Guys, no, stop it. Stop. Okay, as that is the end of
Try not to laugh.
the Try Not to Laugh. I don't know what any of this is. So I hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button and subscribe if you did. Comment down below if you have any more ideas, that kind of stuff. You get the basic idea. And guys, Control Alt H, Alt Shift H, Control H. Ah, there we go. And guys, we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.